Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this, chances are you are ready to break free from your financial stress. Maybe you feel stuck in your financial situation, living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and just not knowing where to start when it comes to improving your finances and building wealth. Well, today we're going to talk about how to break through those limitations and take control of your financial future. I promise you, it's not as complicated as it seems. Let's get started, and by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to move forward with confidence. If you're serious about improving your finances, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your financial limiting beliefs. Before we get into the how-to, we need to first talk about why you're feeling limited in the first place. Often the biggest barriers to financial freedom are not external factors, they're internal ones. I'm talking about the beliefs we have about money. For example, maybe you grew up hearing things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or rich people are greedy. These kinds of beliefs create a mindset where money feels insufficient or unattainable, and that mindset limits your ability to attract and manage wealth. The first step to breaking free is awareness. Pay attention to how you talk about money. What beliefs are holding you back? And more importantly, are they true? If not, it's time to replace those old beliefs with empowering ones, like I can create wealth or I am in control of my financial future. Step 2. Take control of your money mindset. Once you identify the limiting beliefs, the next step is to take control of your mindset. This is where things get exciting because your mindset can literally transform your financial reality. Let me explain. Have you ever heard of the saying, what you focus on expands? Well, it's true. When you start to believe that wealth is possible for you, you'll naturally begin to take actions that align with that belief. Take saving, for example. It's not about how much you save, it's about building the habit of saving. Even if you're only putting away $10 or $20 a week, that small action consistently will start to grow, and over time, you'll begin to see the rewards. I've worked with clients who felt like they were never going to get out of debt or save for retirement, but once they shifted their mindset and took action, even small steps, things began to change. It's all about building momentum. Start by setting small financial goals that feel achievable. Maybe it's saving a small amount each week or paying off a small debt. Then, as you start to accomplish these, you'll feel more confident and motivated to tackle bigger challenges. Step 3. Create a solid financial plan. Okay, now that your mindset is in check, it's time to create a plan. It's important to have a roadmap that aligns with your goals. Without a plan, it's easy to fall back into old habits and get distracted by shiny objects like quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. Your financial plan should include a budget to manage your spending, an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, debt repayment strategies to get out of the red, and investment goals to start building wealth for the future. Now, don't freak out. Creating a plan doesn't mean everything has to be perfect. It's about making progress and adjusting as you go. If you don't have a plan yet, start with a basic budget and set some short-term financial goals. Then, gradually work towards longer-term goals like paying off debt or saving for a big purchase. Before we move on to the final steps, if you're really ready to shift your money mindset and take control of your financial life, I have something for you. Check out my ebook, Money Mindset Makeover. It's packed with actionable steps to help you develop a healthy relationship with money, break through limiting beliefs, and start building the financial future you deserve. It's a great companion to today's video, and I promise it'll give you the tools to make lasting change. You can grab your copy from the link in the description. Step 4. Build wealth slowly but surely. Now that we've worked on mindset and made a plan, the final piece of the puzzle is building wealth. This doesn't happen overnight, and that's okay. In fact, it's better this way because it means you're making smart, sustainable decisions rather than chasing fleeting opportunities. A huge mistake I see people make is trying to get rich quick. They chase high-risk investments or take on debt to fund things they don't really need. Instead, I recommend focusing on slow and steady growth. Here's how. 1. Start by automating your savings so that a portion of your income automatically goes into a savings or investment account each month. 2. Consider long-term investments like index funds or real estate. These can grow over time and provide passive income. 3. Avoid high-interest debt like credit cards that can hold you back. Commit to making small, consistent contributions to your savings or investments. Stay focused on your long-term goals and remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. 1. Identify your financial limiting beliefs and create them with empowering thoughts. 2. Take control of your money mindset. Small positive actions lead to big changes. 3. Create a solid financial plan, including a budget, savings, debt repayment, and investments. And finally, 4. Build wealth slowly but surely. Stay consistent and focus on long-term growth. Remember, breaking free from financial limitations is a journey, not a one-time fix. But with the right mindset, a clear plan, and consistent action, you can create the freedom you deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what your biggest financial goal is this year. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.